The unboxing experience of the Redmi Note 9S is plain, although this is welcome. Compared to a flamboyant box, it has too much inside. Once opening the box, you find a sleeve that contains a setup guide and their warranty notice. Behind that, you find a case that is made of silicone. It's not the best, although it does offer you preliminary protection before you get a proper case. And a SIM ejector tool, which is attached to the front. Beneath this, you find the phone, which has the specifications neatly written on the front. We will get to those in a minute. And below that, you have a 22-watt fast charger encased in some plastic and a USB Type-C charging cable. Like with all Xiaomi phones, the setup is simple. You turn on the phone, which displays the MIUI 11 logo, or MIUI 12 in some regions. You continue setting your preferences as you go along, and within 5 minutes the setup is complete and you are able to roam on your device as much as you like. My first impression of the phone was, wow, that's big. It is the cutting edge of budget smartphones, costing only £199. It sports a 6.67-inch FDH Plus display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, and 18-watt fast charging. The processor does not overheat under prolonged gaming sessions and can support high graphics settings on most games. The display does have dead pixels towards the edge of the screen on brighter backgrounds, however this is unnoticeable unless you are looking for them. It is a large phone. I mean, hearing 6.67-inch display usually points you in the direction of a Black Shark 3 Pro, also made by Xiaomi, which is 3 times the price. In other words, you are getting a lot of phone for your money. Due to the size of the phone, Xiaomi have managed to cram a 5020 mAh battery into this. And due to the lockdown in the UK, I've been using it intensively. And although I do charge it every night, it does have 40% at the end of the day. If I used it less, then I'd be able to fit at least 2, probably 3 days of mediocre usage before having to charge it. The fast charging is fast for a phone of this price. However, due to the size of the battery, it takes a while to charge to full capacity, although 20% extra battery life should be enough to last you for the rest of the day. Onto the cameras. It has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and finally, a 48-megapixel main camera. These perform fine and produce wonderful image quality, although when in the 48-megapixel mode, take a while to process, but the difference is substantial, especially when zooming in or cropping a photo. The front camera is a punch-hole 16-megapixel camera at the top center of the screen that takes good photos for social media posts, or to send to family and friends. The camera AI software is the same as Xiaomi's other phones, and, for me, tweaks the photos perfectly, resulting in a shot that helps capture the essence of the real place or person. My only very minor complaint with the software is that switching between the zoom modes or photo modes is a bit jittery. However, this could be improved in an update. Overall, this phone is amazing for the price. It has a huge battery life, good processor from Qualcomm, and an amazing camera setup. Xiaomi really blow any of their competition out of the water when it comes to building amazing budget smartphones, and this phone is a testament to that. Or perhaps all cheap smartphones are slowly morphing into having flagship level capabilities.